कोलेस्ट्रॉल का मेन जो रीजन है, क्या वो सिर्फ ऑयल है कि उसमें भी आपका पूरा लाइफस्टाइल और ये
Right. So understand one thing, cholesterol is not all the villain, right? जितना विलेनाइज कोलेस्ट्रॉल को किया गया है एक्चुअली उतना विलेन है नहीं कोलेस्ट्रॉल। योर बॉडी एक्चुअली नीड्स फैट, right? Most of your vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin K, vitamin E, these are fat soluble vitamins.
Okay.
Right? So to absorb these vitamins, to assimilate these vitamins, you need fat. There are a lot of body organs which require fat for their function, right? Even body generates fat. If you take a lot of glucose, if you take more energy than you consume, your body stores this as a fat.
Right.
The problem is when you take more than you can spend, your body starts building up the fat inside your body, and this excess fat gets deposited in the blood vessels.
Okay.
Right? So you require fat. It doesn't mean कि अगर आपको किसी ने बोल दिया आपको हार्ट डिसीज है या आपको कोई आप हाई रिस्क हो हार्ट डिसीज के लिए तो आपको फैट कंटेंट एकदम बंद कर देना है, बिल्कुल भी नहीं ऐसा। Your body requires fat, right? But the consumption of fat in your food for the energy purpose is around should be 25 to 30%. Right? Second question कई बार हम आता है कि हम फैट किस फॉर्म में ले, which is the best thing for the fat intake, कि मैं ऑयल लूँ, मैं घी लूँ। ऑयल अगर मुझे लेना है तो कौन सा ऑयल लेना है?
Olive oil or yes.
Right. In general, I do not recommend any fancy diet. Right? आप चाहे जो भी ऑयल लो, you have to reduce its quantity. Right? Plus, change your oil whenever you go to the market. आप जब भी मार्केट में जा रहे हैं ऑयल लेने के लिए तो आप अपना ऑयल चेंज कीजिए, फर्स्ट थिंग। सेकेंड थिंग, आई जनरली एडवाइज माई पेशेंट टू नॉट रीयूज द ऑयल, right?
Yes.
When you reuse the oil, there is generation of a lot of bad fats in the oil, which we call as trans fatty acid, which are more harmful to the body. Right? Given a choice between oil and ghee, I mean it's a very long debate.
Right.
There is no clear-cut answers to it. But what I feel is oil and ghee.
Yeah.
I would always advise that ghee is better than oil.
Right.
The reason being, ghee is not 100% fat.
Okay.
Ghee has other constituents also. Ghee has 80% fat, 20% water content, right?
Okay.
Plus in that 80% fat also there are a lot of other contents which probably reduces your fat intake in the form of ghee. So given a choice between oil and ghee, I would advise कि आपको घी लेना चाहिए, बट वो भी ऐसा नहीं कि आप घी सर ने अलाउड कर दिया तो चलो शुरू करो। That should not be done.
Right. तो क्या ये कुछ इससे डिफरेंस पड़ता है कि अगर आप सीजन वाइज अलग अलग ऑयल ले तो क्या उससे आपका कोलेस्ट्रॉल से कोई लेना देना है?
Right. Actually, I don't have any scientific answer for that.
Okay.
Right? We don't have such studies. Whatever I say, whatever I believe, whatever I prescribe should have a scientific data behind it, right?
Right.
So that there should be some backup data for that, for me to say anything. I don't think I have as of now any data for that कि season wise अगर आप अपने oil habits change करते हो तो उससे heart disease कम होती है या ज़्यादा होती है. But yes, there is a retrospective data that 50 years back the heart disease rate in India was much low. In last 50 years, our food habits have changed. We have shifted more from ghee to oil,
Yes.
and heart disease has increased.
Oh.
I don't know whether there is a direct correlation between this or not, but we have this data that in last 50 years, the heart diseases in India, the prevalence of hypertension, diabetes, and other chronic diseases has increased in India in the last 50 years.